Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Rex Tuason, your licensed financial advisor. And for our today's vlog, we will discuss the Figaro Group IPO prospectus. The topics for our discussion will be the company information, the summary of the offer, historical revenues, and the use of IPO proceeds. So I'll make this discussion quick na lang kasi yung IPO ng Figaro Group is nag-start na din. The Figaro Group is a set of retail restaurants with 99 branches nationwide and international territories that serve a wide variety of food offerings. The Figaro Group includes these brands: Figaro Coffee Company, which had its first days in the Philippines in 1993. So nauna pa siya sa large international company na Starbucks, which came in the Philippines in 1997. Angel's Pizza, operations into Mas, famous for Longbao. The Figaro Group that serves the best-selling products of Figaro, Angels, and Chienmas, and the Cafe Portofino. The number of branches as of November 10, 2021 per brand. For the summary of the offer shares is 930,166,000 shares. And the option shares is 93,060,75 per offer share. And kung nabasa niyo yung initial prospectus, it was initially set at 1.28 per offer share. Ayan. So kung nasa positive side ka, iisipin mo na ang laki kumbaga parang ang laki ng naging discount niya. So kumbaga gusto mo bumili kasi mura. Pero on the other side kasi, pwede mo siyang isipin na bakit ang laki ng binaba niya, bakit bigla siyang bumagsak. Sufficient ba yung demand? Or kakaunti yung may gustong bumili kaya binabaan niya masyado. The joint underwriters will be the Abacus Capital, China Bank Capital, and the PNB Capital. So, part of your due diligence kapag mag-i-invest kayo sa IPO, I want you to, kumbaga pag-aralan nyo rin kung ano yung naging history niya nitong mga underwriters na to, naging successful ba yung mga nakaraang IPO, not just the recent IPO, but yung karamihan ng IPO niya. Minimum subscription is 5,000 shares in multiples of 1,000 shares thereafter. And yung maximum shares naman niya is 133,000 shares. Offer period, so nag-start na siya January 10, 2022 to January 14, 2022. Whereas the listing date will be on January 24, 2022. And the trading symbol will be FCG or yung initials lang ng the Pro Coffee Group. After the offer shares, kapag na-listed na siya, magiging total outstanding shares niya is 4.6 billion. The new investors will represent 20.01% ng total outstanding shares, which is pasok na pasok dun sa minimum public ownership na 20%. Here is the historical revenues. So ito maganda rin na inaaral natin para alam natin yung pinag-i-investan ba nating company or brand is kumikita ba, ganyan. Kasi kapag nag-invest tayo sa paluging company, possible malugi din tayo eh. Ayan, so pabagsak din yung stock price niya. Si Figaro, year 2018-2019, ayan, so bumagsak siya na year 2020, tsaka ito is first half pa lang 2021. So, pabagsak siya. Whereas si Angel's Pizza naman, kung makikita nyo, increasing yung revenue niya. And year 2020, lumaki siya. First half pa lang ng 2021 na exceed na niya yung income niya for the last year 2020. Si Chienmas naman, medyo bumaba din siya. And then si Cafe Portofino. So, kung makikita nyo, ang big chunk pala talaga ng total revenue nila nanggagaling kay Angel's Pizza. Ayan, kasi si Figaro at si Chienmas, more on dining services yan eh. Si Angel's Pizza, mas catered siya sa delivery at saka sa takeout. Ayan, gawa nga nung pandemic, marami nagsasarang restaurant. Mas malaki yung nagiging revenue ni Angel's Pizza. Use of IPO proceeds, saan ba nila gagamitin yung makukuha nilang proceeds from investors? The net proceeds from the offer are expected to be approximately 654.7 million. The first use of IPO proceeds will be for the store openings and renovations. So 33% niya ng total proceeds will represent para dun sa pag-open nila ng branches. Si Angel's Pizza, ang target daw nila ma-open for the next 3 years is 35. Si Figaro 6, si Chenmas 2. Ayan. So target period naman ni Chenmas is within 2023 to 2024. Si TFG Express naman is 18 branches for the next 3 years. Ayan. So bakit si Angel's Pizza yung maraming branch na itatayo niya? Kasi it makes sense din naman dun sa pinakita natin kanina na historical revenue. Ito, yung historical revenue niya, si Angel's Pizza kasi talaga yung kumikita eh. Ayan, no? Nasa around 90 to 100% ng total revenues kay Angel's Pizza nang gagaling. Kaya iyon din yung pinofocus nila na i-open na branches. The second one is for commissary expansion. So this one is for the construction of the satellite commissaries at saka yung balak nilang itayong Mayon 2 commissary. Ayan. So I believe ito yung parang kumbaga warehouse nila na paglalagyan nila ng mga inventories, ganyan. So 350.3 million yung ine-expect nilang gagamitin for commissary expansion. Third is debt repayment. Ito is more on self-explanatory naman. Kumbaga pagbabayad ng utang, 80 million ng proceeds will be used for repayment of debts. Ayan. So it's actually good for me kasi kumbaga 12% lang proceeds yung ipambabayad sa utang. Unlike dun sa ibang recently na nag-IPO, ang laki nung portion na ibabayad lang talaga nila sa utang. Ayan. So ito yung composition ng debts niya. Meron siyang debt kay Union Bank at saka kay China Bank. 30 million kay Union Bank and 50 million kay China Bank. Ayan. So pareha sila may 5.5% interest and yung maturity date nila is malapit na rin kaya plano nilang bayaran na sa magiging IPO proceed. Fourth one is IT infrastructure, 5 million. So ito is para sa mga upgrade lang nila ng ERP, ayan, ng IT systems nila. So actually nawala dito sa final prospectus nila yung potential acquisition kasi dun sa initial prospectus nila may mga balak daw silang i-acquire. So nawala na siya dito. Ayan. So to summarize, makikita nyo dito sa chart natin, the majority of the proceeds will be used for the commissary expansion and the store openings and renovations. Ayun lang. So I hope it helps sa magiging decision nyo kung gusto nyo bang mag-subscribe sa IPO na to or not. And if you find this video helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Ayun. Thank you for watching and good luck in your investing journey.